Welcome to Top Skill Trainers. For those who were asking me how to transfer USD from OKX wallet to Binance wallet, this video is for them. Let's get skilled, let's get growing, right here on Top Skill Trainers. How to transfer USD OKX wallet to your Binance wallet. Follow these steps. Step 1. Get your Binance USDT deposit address. Log in to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section, then select Spot or Overview. Find USDT and click Deposit. Choose the network for the transfer, commonly ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Make sure to pick the same network you will use on OKX. Copy the USDT deposit address provided by Binance. Step 2. Withdraw USDT from OKX to Binance. Log in to your OKX account. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets section and select Withdraw. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Select On-Chain, Transfer, Sending to an External Wallet, Exchange. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier. Select the same network you chose on Binance, e.g., ERC20, TRC20. Choose the account to withdraw from, funding or trading account. Enter the amount of USDT to transfer. Double-check all details, especially the address and network, to avoid loss. Confirm and submit the withdrawal. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. After confirming, OKX will process the withdrawal. The transfer time depends on the network congestion but usually completes within minutes to an hour. Once confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. Important notes. Always ensure the network selected on OKX matches the one on Binance to avoid loss of funds. Be aware of transaction fees, which vary by network and current congestion. Double-check the deposit address carefully before submitting the withdrawal. This process is widely used and straightforward, as detailed in multiple tutorials, guides, articles, so link in description box. If this video is helpful, please subscribe now and join our community of lifelong learners, because your journey to success starts here.